Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So I'm starting off with a weekly chart and just highlighting this level again. It's quite a significant level, which we are just, don't say we're bouncing off yet. The week is still only halfway through, but what I do want to do is just add the next level, and I think that's the next level there. You can see there's quite a bit of interaction here at this area here. Okay, so we'll pick it up on the lower time frame. That's 26,287, and this top level is 26,726. So if we just look at the daily, just move that across. So we had this pin bar, then we had a little bit of indecision. Normal way to trade this kind of stuff is break below the pin bar, stop above the pin bar, and you're looking for the heights of the pin bar now. Okay, now I don't think that actually lines up with anything. Double check. Oh, it sort of lines up with some things in here, but I don't think that is a level I want to pay attention to. So the one I do want to pay attention to is this previous swing high here. Okay, so that's a daily level. So the top, these two are weekly levels, and you can see this last one is also quite an important daily level. Okay, so that would be the pullback I won't say anticipating, but what I'd like to see for my entry. Okay, and remember, I'm still looking at longs. This to me is a retracement right now. I don't see a change in trend. It can have to pull down, really create a lower high before I even start looking at that. Okay, so for now the daily trend is up. That's a trade. That is the direction that I'm trading in. Okay, 3 hour trend has potentially changed, but again, I'm looking for a retest. So I'm going to use this weekly level here. The thing about this weekly level is look at all these 3 hour closes above this level. So we tried to defend this level pretty hard. Okay, so I'm going to move that down because there is my 3 hour level. You can see I've got three areas that we interact with. We got through, but for me, the trend change I'm looking for is a rally, a rejection off that level and move, and that would confirm the trend change for me. So for now, trend is still up, although there is a potential trend change. Okay. My oscillators are starting to group to the downside, indicating I need to be paying attention to a level. And if this is the daily level we have, I'm just going to use this one down here. There is my 3 hour level, which is exactly where we are right now. Okay. So the last thing that I want to do here is get a Fibonacci in on this, just to see where my 50% Fibonacci, which is right here in this congestion, and my 61.8 doesn't line up with much to the left. Okay. So, bottom line is I'm looking for a long entry, and I'm looking again in this area. Okay. Yesterday we were looking around the gap close to see what happened, but we didn't get anything there, which I was anticipating being bottom of range, but we broke through that quite easily. So immediately you look for the next level, and this is the next level, right where we are now. Okay, so in other words, I'll be watching this today just to see if we do get some positive price action. You can see on the 3 hour we've already got a bit of an inside bar here. Not convincing, especially this time of the morning. So last things to look at is have a look at the hour, see what's going on. We have a grouping. Okay, I don't have much diversions here, but I have grouping, and we are starting to round. We've got a bit of divergence on the moving averages, and moving average starting to round, and we've already got tails, inside bar, inside bar, inside bar, inside bar. So there is potential for a long here. Okay, now where is that entry? I'm going to use this level here. There's my fractal area. A break of that fractal is not going to be convincing. Okay, but I'll explain that now. But what is convincing is that consolidation pattern right there. Okay, we're going sideways at the moment, so obviously I'd like to see a bit of a pullback, and I have a feeling, looking at what I see, we're probably going to go sideways and then squirt down. Look at the 200 moving averages here as well. All of these things are sitting in this area. Okay, so I'd like to see 26,500. So 26,500 is the area that I'm looking for. There's no inside tails here on the hour. I think that one's too far away. Yeah. Let me just quickly look to the left, see what else we see here. And there is quite a bit. There's a double inside tail. There's a rejection off it as well. And there's a lot happening with it here as well. So just come back to the right. Those are my three levels. First level we're on. There's my second, my third, and I've also got my 200 moving averages here. Okay, so this is the zone I'm looking for. That's the zone I'm looking for right now. Okay, now what we'll be doing is watch what happens during the day. I'm looking for this thing to drop a little bit more back into the wedge pretty much, because I think what's going to transpire is that. So it's going to go into a channel, it's going to drop down, more than likely see some diversions on the drop down, and then the buyer stepping in off this area here. Okay, so 26480, 26500, that's the area I'm waiting, and stop loss is going to be a pretty much, there's no structure for my stop loss. As I could argue there, well, yeah, that would be my structure. So it's going to be around 100, I think 100 point stop loss is what I'll look at. If we do break through this congestion here, then obviously there's nothing stopping it until we get to the next level of congestion, is right at the bottom of this move. But I think with Fibonacci, with all this potential support in this area, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, so that is my view at the moment, and I'm treating this as a pullback for now. If we do rally and get stopped by this breakout test or that breakout test, so somewhere just put it middle there. So if we do rally and then get stopped at 26675, and then it reverses off there and starts moving down, that'll give me the confirmation that I need to change my direction, and there is potential trend change. Okay, so that's that scenario. And if we just come down to the ichimoku, you'll see what I mean. I'm looking for the ichimoku on the half hour. On the 4 hour, I have got a bearish crossover, but the cloud is still pretty thick here, and we're also Chico span is not through price at the moment. So there's only one signal here. My Williams percentage R is indicating I'm coming up to a level, and it looks like that's the structure there, but there's probably also some daily structure here as well. And if you look at the daily ichimoku, we are quite far off Kijinsen and Tikinsen, and we never really tested the cloud either. Okay, so there's quite a there's quite a bit at play here, but this move here was just too strong. I think this is just profit taking. The bulls are going to step in, and they're going to look for that all-time high. All the other US markets have made it. The bulls haven't on the Dow. Okay, and if you look at this monthly candlestick here, we've got an inside candlestick here, and then we've got this engulfing one that's forming right now. So I'm still very bullish. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's my view for today. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.